All right, so -2 to the 4th power. Anybody know what it is, actually? Indeed. Just want to go over exponents real quick before we talk more about polynomials. You know what I mean?
Polynomial.
Mm-hmm. What it all means, you know, like when you put it together. Anyway, so
Do you have any consumables from?
huh?
No, something that could quench my thirst
Yeah, no.
or put down my food.
Corner store.
No.
Okay, so -2 to the 4th power. What will my result end up being? Negative or positive? What do you think?
I think it would be positive. I'm not in the motion.
It's actually negative. Do you understand? The negative does not go with the exponent. The negative does not go with the exponent.
Why?
Because there's no grouping symbol that says to do that. So you just take 2 to the 4th power and you leave the negative. Mm-hmm. Next one.
How did this is
2 times 2 is what? What's 2 times 2? Oh, okay. Yes?
What?
-2 times -2 times -2 times -2 is a positive 16.
Negative. Hey.
It's a positive 16. The third one is just like the first one, except now we have a grouping symbol. Yeah. So keep the negative again. So the negative stays outside. Not outside like in the wilderness, but I write so darn big that I can't help it. And then I end up going uphill because I'm trying to make sure it fits in there. Anyway, that's a negative 16. So hopefully you're predicting the last one.
What's the last one? Positive 16.
What do you think? You think it's positive?
I like positive.
Opposite of -2 to the 4th power. Oh man, this is gonna be hard. Okay, I did that wrong. Let me scratch that out. Negative of a -2 times a -2 times a -2 times a -2. So inside is going to make that positive, but the negative is on the outside, so it's also negative. Any questions? So are we ready? Are we good? I can take all of this away? Yep. Thanks for watching. Let me close the Zoom out. I don't need it anymore.